So now it's time to install Pandas. But how do we install Pandas? So to install Pandas, we use pip. Okay, we'll see there are two methods, but specifically we'll use pip. So what's pip? So let's see what is pip, and then we will get into the Pandas installation. Okay, so let me open and pip. So let me click on this. This is pip pypy.org, and so this is what the pip, and pip is the package installer for Python. You can use pip to install packages from Python package index, or else you can install from other indexes also. But let's get into here and let's see what is that. So find, install, and publish Python packages with the Python package index. So here a maximum all the packages will be here. So this Python package index consists of the most of the packages, and here you can see the total 4,38,147 projects are there, and 6,78,640 users are there, and these many releases were made. Okay, so that's what it has a huge amount of packages, huge amount of libraries, so you can simply get it from here. But what I want to tell you is, so the pip is the one which we are using. The from where this pip will get it, pip will get those packages from Python package index. Okay, from here it will get all the packages, and it will be, it's like a repository, and this repository consists of all the packages, and it's like same package manager, the same we have done in Linux. Okay, it's similar to that. It's not much of difference. It's just a package manager. I just want to explain that you can use this command by default when you install the Python. By default when you install the Python, the pip will also be installed. If not, you just take this command and then install it manually. Okay, now it's time to install Pandas. For that, let me get into the documentation one more time, and okay, come to the home page, scroll down, w, yeah, just a minute, python.org, and click on welcome to python.org. Now you see this is the landing page, that's a home page. Now you see use Python for, so we want scientific and numeric. So in this, the Pandas, just click on the Pandas, so it will take to the Pandas documentation. So now you can, so what is Pandas? Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool. This is what very important. This is what Pandas is. So Pandas is a data analysis and manipulation tool, and it's built on top of Python programming language. That's it. It's used for the Python. So now let me click on install Pandas now, or you can go here and install Pandas now. So let me click on install Pandas now. So it will take you to this page. So this is how you can install after the complete procedure to install the Pandas. This is for the Anaconda, but in spite of that, even the complete procedure was given here. Um, for Anaconda, how will you do, and for Linux, how will you do? So everything, all the steps are clearly given here. Okay, so let me get back here, leave it. So click on this install Pandas, sorry, click on this getting started here. So now in getting started, the first step is installation. Here you can clearly see, so if you are working with Conda, you can use this Conda install Pandas. You just copy, if you have installed Anaconda, then you just copy this and then put it in your Anaconda command prompt, and then as usual put it in Anaconda terminal and then execute it. Then your Pandas will be installed. But I'm not, I haven't installed this Conda, so I'm gonna use a pip, a normal pip. So I'll take pip install Pandas. This is what. So let me copy this, copy to the clipboard. So let me come here and Windows PowerShell. So click on Windows PowerShell. Let me close this. Let me open it one more time. This time run as administrator and then clear the screen, then paste it directly. It's a pip install pandas and execute it. So it's collecting the pandas. The pip went to the package index and then it's bringing here the pandas. All the files will be unpacked and then stored in the respective directory inside the Python. Okay. So installing collected packages, pits, numpy, pandas, and few more. That's it. Pandas pandas was installed successfully and successfully installed numpy 1.24.2 and pandas 1.5.3 and pigs 2022.7.1. These are all versions. That's okay. So we have discussed all those things in our MLOps and DevOps section. So now this is what the pandas was installed successfully.